Hello everybody, welcome to Nahdism.com. Today we will go through what Traffic Cataclysm is and how you can quickly make around $68,000 or more per month using free traffic sources and without having your own product. Traffic Cataclysm is a traffic generation training that can help you get leads and sales without any fancy paid ads techniques or video creation, solo ads, email lists, website creation, or anything of that sort. This training is created by traffic master Jasdeep, who is famous for his unique and easy traffic generation techniques in internet marketing circles. So let's cut to the chase. Traffic Cataclysm allows you to use the free social media platform Facebook to drive sales and leads to any business and offers without abusing the system. No, it does not involve any paid ads technique nor going on a group posting spree. It teaches you how to ethically use Facebook algorithms to your advantage and gain organic post engagements and thereby acquire massive leads and sales to any affiliate links or offers. So this unique content generating and scheduling technique will make people flock to your profile or pages to purchase stuff instead of you going around them cold selling various products or business opportunities. You have many step-by-step tutorials and examples backed by real student testimonials to make you confident in experimenting with organic marketing reach. So when you become an authority figure in your online social circles, it would facilitate you to easily sell those high-ticket offers and make big money in a short span of time. Yes, there are a bunch of free bonuses that Jasdeep is offering which are worth over $5,000. There are also 5 upgrades available, but all of them are totally optional and don't impact the working of the basic traffic training. So what are you waiting for? For a full review, access to my secret bonuses, and direct access to the Traffic Cataclysm training and income system, visit Nahdism.com. Feel free to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing, honest, and detailed reviews. If you need a review of a particular product, just leave a comment below and I will take into consideration your request to review it in my next video probably. Have a great day. Take care.